God is dead. And we have killed him. This shocking statement from Nietzsche really flips the script on how we view morality and existence. It's a bold challenge to our conventional beliefs, and it definitely sparks some curiosity, doesn't it? So, who was Friedrich Nietzsche? A pivotal philosopher from the 19th century whose ideas have left a huge mark on modern thought. His work dives deep into the nature of existence, morality, and the human experience. Today, we're going to explore some of his mind-blowing philosophies that still resonate today. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, let's talk about the world we live in. Many of us are grappling with existential crises, questioning the very foundations of our beliefs. We face moral dilemmas every day, trying to navigate a complicated landscape of right and wrong. Nietzsche's philosophy steps in here, addressing these very issues. He challenges us to confront the chaos of life instead of hiding from it. His work encourages us to look at our values and beliefs critically, nudging us toward personal responsibility in a world that often feels meaningless. Exploration/development. Let's dive into some key concepts. First up is the Übermensch or Overman. This idea represents an individual who transcends traditional morality to create their own values. Nietzsche believed that we should strive to become this Overman, taking control of our own destiny. Then, there's the will to power, which isn't just about domination, it's about the drive to assert oneself and grow. And don't forget the eternal recurrence. Imagine living your life over and over, exactly the same way, for eternity. It sounds daunting, but it challenges us to live authentically and fully, as if each moment matters infinitely. Climax/key moment. Now, let's get to the heart of it, Nietzsche's declaration that God is dead. This isn't a literal statement but a metaphorical one. It reflects the decline of traditional religious and moral values in the modern world. So what does this mean for us? It implies that we can no longer rely on a higher power to dictate our morals or purpose. Instead, we must find meaning within ourselves. It's a radical shift that asks us to redefine our values and take charge of our lives. This is the essence of Nietzsche's revolutionary thought. Conclusion/summary. In summary, Nietzsche's philosophy invites us to embrace the uncertainties of life and create our own values. It's a call to action, urging us to take ownership of our existence and live boldly. His ideas challenge us to push past the chaos, encouraging personal empowerment and authenticity in an often confusing world. Call to action, CTA. So, what do you think about Nietzsche's philosophy? Do you agree with his ideas, or do you see things differently? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to explore more philosophical themes, don't forget to check out our other videos. Let's keep this conversation going.